That's part of our landing system. This is the only elevator that comes down to the very bottom landing. Okay, the elevator. Okay, so it's going to come down. So here's our buffer, oil buffer. That's for the car side. We're on site in Houston, Texas. We're in a parking garage. Got a bank of 5 elevators. This is kind of a unique setup. All of these are basement traction machines, which we can kind of see back here, but we'll walk around and take a look at them. These are original from 1981, I believe. Originally installed by Westinghouse. The machines are original. They were retained during the modernization. I believe this was 2019, if I remember correctly. 16. Stand corrected. Get some light in here. But ThyssenKrupp TAC32T controllers. These are our original Westinghouse 38 machines. We got our main drive sheave, our deflector drive sheave. And let me see if I can get inside here. We kind of have walk-in pits here, per se. They're caged off. I'll give you a wider angle. So here's our buffer, oil buffer. That's for the car side. Down here, that's our counterweight side. And our 2 dangly things here, these are what we call whisper flex. It's really compensation for the weight of the elevator. Our flat traveling cable, this is a newer style. We can see we have the original roller guide assemblies. These aren't spring loaded, so it's kind of got the similar ride quality of a Willys Jeep. There's no real suspension or springs to soak up any of the alignment or misalignment of the rails or as they settle over time. That's our hoistway door at the first landing. Obviously we're below grade. So we can see our pickup rollers, our spirator is the wheel at the top right panel. Interlock kind of towards the center. And all of our tracks, hangers, rollers, and everything in between. So if this comes back down here in a second, which it's going to take off on me, I was going to show you guys the safeties. But anyhow, tail shift here. That's part of the governor system to prevent the elevator from overspeeding. And our metal strip right here, which is attached to that spring that goes up on the right side. Stand over here, you might have a better look at it. That's part of our landing system. So part of the modernization, you can't have unintended motion of the elevator, so they install what's called rope grippers. So you can see the ropes travel in between here. And if there's any unintended motion, these things snap shut and grab onto the cables. Elevator's coming back down. So, cables on these don't look too hot. You can see a lot of tallow built up on them, which will affect traction. You see all the tallow built up on these sheaves. That one's really probably got the best access for us. So look at car 1. Really noisy. We got some tallow on this, but not as bad as car 2, which is what we're looking at. But same setup, except this is the only elevator that comes down to the very bottom landing, which you can see basement right on the Hoistway door. Let's go take a look at the other cars here. There's our entrance for car 2. Car 3 arc controller. Everything's the same setup here. A braking system with the springs on the end. Cables aren't looking so great on that one either. Take a look in the pit here. Same thing, Whisper Flex. Let's see, I saw it on the inside of the cables, but these ones have rouge. These cables are due for replacement. Hoping one of these are going to come down so you can see the safeties. Car 4, same thing. We'll take a look inside. This one's got different roller guides on the bottom. Zoom in and give you a better look. And flat cable, that's for the traveling cable, which is really the extension cord per se of the elevator. Okay, so it's going to come down. So here's our safeties, which you'll clamp onto the rails if needed. See, these have quite a bit of tallow built up on them. Maybe better looking here. These ones really don't look great at all. You can see oil here on the drive shift. Seems to be an attempt to extend the life of the cables. Come over here, take a look at car 5. It's pretty noisy as well. See, this is our tow guard that comes down. Just got to be careful when walking in, that's all. Our guide assemblies.